channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with an order I placed on Simon Says stamp. I have been waiting on these to come back in stock. There are still a couple that are still not in stock, but at least I got one complete set, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's several different kinds, and I did get one complete set. I'm gonna show it came in this envelope. And it's like, did they cut it or do they make envelopes this size? I don't know. It says 12.5 by 9.5. This is neat. I need to order some of these. All right, so it's in plastic. Let's open it up because I am ready to play. I think I might add on after this unboxing. I might do a play. Let's see. Craft with me, maybe. All right, so I have been waiting on, ooh, they gave me a $5 off. Let's put that there because I will be ordering again. The Misses by Studio Light. It's Karen Joan, and I think she is in the UK or Germany, somewhere like that, because she is a foreigner, African-American woman, and I love the versatility with these dies. So the first one is called the Betty. Oh my gosh, y'all know I love my little girls that I have, but they're so tiny like this. And I love playing with them when I do. But I saw some people hauling these, and I think these been out for a while. But they've been sold out for so long. And when I occasionally search, and I saw this full set, I was like, oh my God, let me get them. And I tried to get the other one, so I was only able to get one, but you'll see that in the video, in this haul. All right, so the Misses are the little images that you put together. So you can mix and match, shirts, necklines. This is the body piece, which you need. You have to have Betty to use the other ones. All are interchangeable, and I love that idea. Some of them have words. It says believe. This one has a coordinating stamp set. So you have the face here. You have 3 mouths that you can use. That's 1, 2, where's the other one? Right here, little lips. Got some butterfly stamps, something for create for a necklace, earrings, something for the hair. I don't know if y'all can see that. Like little hair bows you can stamp. And then it has a word stamp that says, she believed she could, so she did. I love that phrase. I've always loved it. And then the coordinating dies for like this butterfly. You know, it's got lots of little additives here. This is Betty. There's an example of using Betty. On the back, there's Joan here. I am so excited for this. Karen Joan. That's her name, Karen Joan. And this shows some of the features. Look at that mouth. This is how they changed it to a shirt, which you have that die. And then this is the necklace. Remember I said that little V was a necklace, and you have earrings. You can do that. The hairs, you can do the hair different. The outfits different. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. So you got to have this basic Betty set before you can get the other ones, or it's really useless because you won't have a body. So the Betty set, there's the ID for that. Basic DCKJ03. You got to have this one first. So then I got Tasha. So Tasha goes with the collection. You see there's no body. So you got to have Betty first. All right. This one has a big hand. Look at this image here that shows an example. And the different hairs to add and build. Bracelets, watches, bows, and then you have the stamp set at the bottom as well. This is another face. Look at the eyes on that. And then 3 mouths. I love this mouth here. She's smiling so big. And then also the little images here, a cat, a dog, a bunny rabbit, and look like a mouse. So you can add, like, to put that on a bow for the hair, you know, or on the shirt image. This bow, and it says sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. Yes! This one also has the little bitty nails. Let me show you. So you can put polish on the tips of the nail. Isn't that amazing? Then it says so cute as well. I am absolutely loving this. So here on the back is some images. Look at this. The little cat ears that you can put on it. Look at the little bow. And then she stamped that on the shirt. Like, you know, we have words and stuff like that on our t-shirts. There's some of the images of the animals. Got some hearts. Look at this. The hair went from this to a side ponytail to long hair. I love the scarf. There's one with the hand and they got bracelets. The mouths on these. OMG. This one is basic DCK J04. Okay. And again, it is Tasha. And then the last one for this set is Carol. I absolutely love Carol. Y'all know I like our representation, African American. And looking at this hair, that's immediately made me think of afros or afro puffs. And then that's the image that I saw. So I absolutely love it. Now, on here also, you know, other skin tones or ethnics have curly hair as well. So you can also use it for that. But, you know, my first thought was when I saw her, I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Look at the face on here. Like she's smiling so big. Her eyes are squinted. We have little bitty lips. And then this one's like a puckered up lip. And then this one's got the tongue hanging out. That's hilarious. Lovely flowers, foliage. And this one says, love life and be girly. Yes. Ponytails, earrings, glasses this time, a feather. Oh my gosh, there's another feather. So when you flip it over to the back, boom, look at that. Look at this. I was so excited to find this Mrs. collection. This one is basic DCK J05. So it's these three dyes that you can interchange. Look at this feather. Look at her hair. So she's got up at the top is curly and then she's got it down. And then here this girl has afro puff. But on the side there's like a braid. Like she's got her hair braided. You know how we do the flat twist? Oh my gosh. That's why I was like, girl, you did this. Karen did this set. I absolutely love this. So these are the three that start the collection. I know they came out with another one and she's already sold out. I'm gonna be waiting for that one. There was another girl, Pravina or something like that. I can't remember her name, but there's another one. So but she actually comes with another body. So maybe they finna start another series. But these three are interchangeable. Interchangeable. So if you want to use the glasses or with this or with the bow, I mean, they all go together because the sizing goes together. Oh, I can't wait to play. So then I saw they had another little set and the other two pieces that I need are sold out. So I don't have the body and then another additional, you know, an add-on. So I can't even play with these until, well, I might be able to play with them with this, because it looks like it's about the same size. So this one is called Miranda. And this is, again, is an add-on. But these are stamps. There's no dies. So you can add, I can add these long, beautiful pearls over here on her, these glasses, but you're just stamping it. There's not a die. So I need that other one, the body, so that I can add two. But I love these big old puffs here. Got beautiful flowers. Now, of course, I can use these bands on here, just stamping it down. Anything over here I can stamp. But I love the face. The face will fit also in there. So I do love that she did that. These are the little hair that hang down, you know, when you want to have a couple of hairs down on the side. This is so cute. This is for a side ponytail or a high up ponytail. I am absolutely loving it. And look at these lips. This one's got the tongue sticking out, that one and that one. I absolutely love it. So when you flip it over, this one is Miranda and she is stamp KJ07. This is an addition. So you need Melanie, which is stamp KJ05. Because she has the body part. Okay. And then Tawana, I think that's how you said it, or Tatiana. I don't know how you say it. She is stamped KJ06. So I need these two, and they've been sold out for a while. So I keep checking to see about getting them. But again, this is a stamp only. There's no die. So you will push the body down and you're building it up. Just like you see this image here. See how she got the little ponytail and the hair here, and it dangles down the side, the eyes, the little shirt. So you're actually just stamping, building your stamp image up. No die. So I'm waiting on the other two pieces to come, which are Melanie and Tatiana. I think that's how you say her name. So I can play with those. But I can use the stamp image on here if I wanted to. Just stamping. All right. Then I saw this teeny tiny set misses, and it's called Anna and Bella. I really wanted it for the speech bubble and the words that are in it. Absolutely, this is another build up. This is how the body looks. You would stamp it down, and then you would build up your image. There's that side ponytail again, like here. Got the small beads, just like here. The pearls. Hair, the side. So it's like a smaller image. I cannot use these images on here because these are bigger. But I love the saying. It says happy, and then it's got smaller wording. Hello, birthday, happy wishes, friend, birthday, a bigger hello, friend, dear, you are in my prayers. Thank you so much. How are you doing? And don't worry, be. And then you can put happy, you know, whatever. So I love this part here for adding towards my girls. And I'm trying to see if it has a code on here. Stamp KJ15. So look how cute. You just build them up and they look totally different by using the stamps, guys. Isn't that awesome? Last but certainly not least, I saw this one. I think I had this added in my cart because somebody had did cards that I saw. I think it was on Pinterest. And then I searched and found it was waffle flower. And it's called Go Girl. And it comes with a matching die set. And I love this packaging. This thing feels heavy as all get out. Alright, so this is the die. Their packaging is amazing. This waffle flower. This right here is a very thick plastic. Waffle flower. And it's Go Girl. So this one is another build your girl. I love the sayings. When I saw it, I was like, oh, I love the sayings. And it's Go Girl. And it says, you are amazing. You got this. Go girl, go. Your future is so bright. You are so beautiful inside and out. You are enough. So this is another build up. I love these stripes to make it look like she has on a striped dress. But that's the shoulders, the head. I think this is the top of the head. I don't know what that is. I have to figure it out when I'm playing. Got some hair here, several glasses, 2 lips. So cute. And this is the coordinating die set. And let me see. Wow. And it's on a magnet. Oh, wow. It's on a magnetic sheet. Love, love, love. Let me see what it looks like in the back. Oh, yeah. This is nice. All right, so I see some hair. I'll have to see how you play with this one because it's kind of confusing to me. I guess you would cut the hair out and add it to your stamp image. So you get a flat body, and then you build up your image with die cuts. So it looks like this is a shirt. This is ponytails. This is a full hair that's long, short hair. This looks like for this one, for the hair here. For the circle glasses only. And this looks like it's a bow of some type. And you cut it out like to go around the neck or... No, it's hair. You turn it this way. It's a ponytail. Wow. So that's like a build up your images 3D. This is too cute. Too stinking cute. Guys, I am so excited to play with these. So I will be doing a video because I want to play with these now. So, and y'all know how I like to play with textured paper for the body. So we're going to get started on that. Stand by.